Hi, I'm Gina. I've done the Keto Live with Laura Rimmer and I really love it. I really recommend it. I would say the members area is really well laid out. You can go in, watch all the videos, really understand and get into the depth of the content, really understand what keto diet is and what it can do for you. Also, the meal plans are really brilliant, really well thought through. And Laura really talks about all the different things you really need to know. So you don't need to go and research anything else. You can just really find everything in the Keto Life library. And the recipes are lovely. I loved the smoothie in particular, and I still have that smoothie. Yeah, I would just say for me it was really beneficial to my health. My skin was better brain function, like clarity and more energy for sure, and not cravings, no cravings. And that was my surprise actually with the keto diet. I have the list still in my kitchen, the list of foods, and I still follow a lot of that advice. And you can be sure that this is really the best advice you can find out there with nutrition, knowing what to eat. So this is definitely for you if you care about your health, if you care about putting the right things in your body, and really knowing how much and what to take in. So really recommend it, and yeah, enjoy Keto Life.